Hello friends, this is Veronica and I'm back with a new video for you because you guys know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Always coffee, always first, right? Can't do anything unless we've had our coffee. So I want to make sure you guys have subscribed to my channel. If you're new to House of Cid, welcome to our channel, my channel where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and anything and everything to do with coffee. Today, I want to show you guys a video, make a video for you guys showing you how to make a flash brew. No, I'm sorry, a flash brew coffee. Get it? Flash brew, Halloween, haha. Okay, bad joke. But anyways, I was on the internet and I saw, actually, I've been hearing about flash brew for a while. And I was like, what is this? What is this new trend of flash brew? Because, you know, the internet, TikTok, Instagram, it's all about the new latest trends on food or coffee or all those things we love because, you know, I love coffee. And I heard about it and I said, you know what? I need to find out what this flash brew method is. And actually, it's also called Japanese brew method. I don't know if the Japanese invented it or made it popular. I don't know. There's so many different theories and stories online. But today I'm going to show you how to make a flash brew coffee, how easy it is. And it's supposedly, for some people say, I don't know, don't quote me because I just read it online, that it's actually better than cold brew. Cold brew is so 2019, I guess. So 2020, it's all about the flash brew. So stick around, make sure you subscribe so you know when our videos are coming up, hit the notifications, and let's get started. Okay, so flash brew coffee, according to my research, because you guys know I research this stuff. I don't just, you know, off the top of my head know all this information. So I found this website called Atlas Coffee Club. Oh, sounds fancy. How to make a flash brew coffee. If you're a fan of cold brew coffee but don't have the time, because as you know, cold brew takes anywhere from 10, 12 plus hours to brew. You have to make it, put it in the refrigerator, and let it brew for a long time. So that's kind of the one downside to cold brew, is you got to have patience. So if you don't want to wait for a cold brew coffee and you want your cold coffee now, let's try a flash brew. Flash meaning quick. Do you even enjoy iced coffee more than hot coffee? Yes, some people do. One of my brothers loves iced coffee morning, afternoon, and nighttime, cold, hot weather. It don't matter. He loves his coffee iced. So this would be perfect for him. So this is for you, brother. Hope you're watching my videos. So consider making this. Flash brew often is referred to as Japanese iced coffee. There you go. Japanese iced coffee is a process similar to making cold brew coffee, but it's not quite the same. The same, but not the same. It makes it in a flash. You brew and you chill the coffee. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a pour over coffee maker, which I showed you in some of my other videos. So I have my pour over, I have my filter. They recommend using a lighter blend of coffee for this. I don't know why, but they do. Not the expert. So we're going to use, this is what I have on hand, is the Starbucks Veranda Blend Blonde Coffee. You're going to need ice. So what you're going to do is actually brew the coffee into the ice. So we're going to put ice in here. My ice cubes don't fit. God. Okay. So take two. So you're going to put ice into your pour over carafe and make sure it fits. These were a little bit big, so I had to chop them up. So we're going to put the coffee in there, the ice in there, I should say. I should have measured before I did this, but that's okay. We're going to make it work. Why? Because we always do. Okay. So, okay, there we go. Let's see. This one will probably fit in there as well. Come on. Really? Come on. Okay, we have our ice in there. So, the way to do this is, and I'm following instructions from this website. I will link to it. What you need, a lighter roast coffee. If it's, mine's already ground up, so I don't need to grind it, but a grinder, a filter. I have a filter. So yeah, I have my ice in there. Now we're going to put our coffee in here. And I'm going to brew it according to the directions. Okay. Here it says 2 tablespoons or 10 grams of coffee per 6 ounces of water. So I have my little scooper here. So this is a 2 tablespoons. I'm going to make 2 of them because I want about that much coffee. A little bit more. Okay. So coffee is in there. Then we are going to get our hot water. So my hot water has been boiling and it suggests a temperature of 195 to 205. I don't have my thermometer, so I'm just going with it. Okay. What I do know about cold brewing, or actually pour over, is you have to wet the coffee a little bit first to kind of bloom it. So you wet it a little bit and you kind of let it get soaked in there, and it actually will start to kind of bubble up a little bit and expand. There we go. And you only do that for a few, maybe 30 seconds or so, and you'll actually start to smell the aromas of the coffee. Ooh, smells good. A little bit drip, but that's okay. So let's continue. So you're going to pour it in there kind of slowly in a circular motion. And I'm using the filter today because I don't want any little coffee grinds in my, so there you go. Spraying over the ice. So that's supposed to flash, make it cold fast. So let's see, it's starting to break it up a little bit. I think I have about 2 cups of water here, maybe a little more. And again, all of this is just recommendations. Ultimately, you need to make coffee the way you like it, the strength you like. Okay. And this takes a couple minutes for the coffee to filter through. So yeah, there it is. Doesn't that look pretty? Okay. Okay, so our coffee is done filtering through the cone, through the filter, and according to this, it says, once all the water has been added, stir it, and let it drain completely. The grounds in the filter should look flat or slightly domed. So I'm going to show you. See, there. Oopsie. So yeah, it's done. So let's put this in the sink. Now it says, okay, so it's done. Then you pour your flash brewed coffee, it's cold, into your ice with, then you pour your flash brewed coffee into your cup with some more ice. So it's going to be cold, but not that cold. You still want to pour some ice over it. So let that melt a little bit. Now let's taste it. Oh, smells good, actually. Really good. Ooh, that's really good. It's like smooth. Wow, I like that. It has a very mild and smooth taste, because I know sometimes some iced coffees kind of taste like a little bitter, or just coffee in general. So they suggest you use a lighter blend so it won't be bitter, and it's actually very smooth. Wow, this is a very easy way to make it. You don't have to wait hours or a whole day. And you can make small batches. You don't have to make huge batches. Ooh, I like it. Very good. Okay, let's try it with our milk. I don't mind black coffee. I used to hate black coffee, but now I don't mind it as much, but I still need a little bit of creamer in it. So let's try a little bit of cream. Let's see all the beautiful. I have my straw here. Mix it up a little bit. Actually, it doesn't need a whole lot of creamer. I think you really don't need a lot of creamer for this. Sometimes I think I would put a lot of creamer, half and half, milk into my coffee because it was just too bitter. But when you make a light blend coffee and you use a flash brew method, it's very light and smooth. You definitely do not need a lot of creamer, a lot of milk. Wow, this is pretty good. I'm glad I tried it. You guys should totally try this method. If you have a pour over, definitely try it. Even if you don't have a pour over, I'm going to show you guys another trick I've done. This is like the ghetto pour over, I like to call it. So my old pour over carafe broke. I broke it washing the dishes, but I had the cone left. So what I did is I took the cone, and they sell these online and actually in stores. So you could just buy the cone and pour it in your regular drip coffee. carafe. And then you could do the same thing, the pour over. Genius. I know. Thank you. I'm just kidding. So this is your ghetto coffee pour over hack. If you don't have one of these or don't want to buy these, they're not super expensive. There's some brands that are a lot more expensive, but this one's pretty affordable. I'll link it below. But you guys, this is really good. I'm glad I tried it. I'm glad I found out about it. Flash Brew, Japanese iced coffee, whatever you want to call it. Really good. If you're an iced coffee lover year round, not just in the summer, try it. Try it out. And I think you'll like it. I'm definitely impressed. And it was pretty quick. I don't know, in total, you could probably do this in under 10 minutes between boiling the water and assembling this. The whole brew process method only takes a couple minutes. So definitely worth a try. So yeah, let me know if you've ever had flash brew coffee, if you've ever tried this method, if you want to try this method and try it out. Please leave me a message. Let me know. I really want to get to know you guys, my subscribers. Even if you're not subscribed, leave me a comment. If you're a coffee lover, tell me what's your favorite type of brewing method. Have you ever tried this? Are you going to try it? Come on, let's be coffee buddies. So that's all I have for you. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like these videos that I'm making for you. As you know, I'm a coffee lover. I'm not an expert. I'm not a pro. I'm just a girl that loves her coffee. So if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up. It helps us grow. It helps other people find our videos. Make sure you subscribe because I have an awesome giveaway coming up of a Nespresso machine. Yes, one of you guys is going to get your own Nespresso machine from me when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So the sooner we get there, the sooner one of you can win a Nespresso machine. Thanks, guys. I appreciate all your comments, your support, and that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your flash brew. It was actually pretty good.